This is the second part of chapter 12, section 4 or 12.4. Here we're going to look at different kinds of word problems to use a subtraction method to find the area of a specific part of a figure. So pay attention, have some fun if you can, and try to keep up. It's going to go kind of fast. So here we're going to use the subtraction method, which is area of the path is equal to the area of the big rectangle minus the area of the small rectangle. So we need to find the areas of the two rectangles, which is pretty easy, right? First, let's do the area of the large rectangle. What is the area of the width? It's 12 plus 2 plus 2 is, which is 16. Area of the length is 25 plus 2 plus 2 is 29. So we'll just multiply. We'll multiply 16 meters by 29 meters. Okay. So the area of the large rectangle is 464 meters squared. The next step is to find the area of the small rectangle. Right? We know it is 25 by 12. If we look at the problem, the green is 25 by 12. Multiply those, and we get 300 meters squared. So the area of the small rectangle, the area of the green part, is 300 meters squared. So what we'll do is we'll subtract the big rectangle, take away the green part, and we'll only be left with the outside edge. And the outside edge, as we can see, is 164 meters squared. Just the white part around the edge. We need to read the problem first, right? Okay, the problem. A rectangular piece of fabric measures 80 inches by 60 inches. So 80 inches by 60 inches of the fabric. It's placed on a table, and it leaves a margin of 5 inches wide all the way around it. So the big square is the table, the small square is the rectangle, and there's 5 inches all the way around the fabric on the table. So we need to find the area of the table that's not covered by the fabric. Find the area of the table not covered by the fabric. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the area of the table, the big rectangle, minus the area of the fabric. What is the area of the table? Here we can see that the length is 90. The length of the table is 5 plus 80 plus 5, or 90 inches. The width of the table is 5 plus 60 plus 5, or 70. So that means the area of the table is 90 times 70. So the total area is 6,300 of the entire table. 6,300 inches of the entire table. The area of the table is 6,300 inches squared. The area of the table. And the area of the fabric. The problem gives us it's 80 by 60. And 6 times 8 is 48. So the area of the fabric is 48 inches squared. So then what do we need to do? Subtract 6,300 minus 4,800 is 1,600 inches squared. the area of the table not covered by fabric, the area of the table not covered by fabric is 1,600 inches squared.